The Osprey Transporter boarding bag is a smaller version of a pack that I reviewed a few weeks ago, the Transporter Global Carry-On. This bag is only 20 liters and it doesn't have backpack straps, so this is probably going to be a personal item that you would take in addition to a carry-on. However, this large compartment is big enough. I have a medium packing cube and about 3 days worth of clothes and gear in here, so you could potentially use it as a short weekend bag. I really like the quality in these transporter bags. This thick, waterproof TPU fabric, big YKK zippers, locking number 10, main compartment, and then locking number 8 in the laptop compartment. The bag is set up like a briefcase with all the zippers accessed from the top. Even though it's only a 20-liter pack, this main compartment is most of the volume, and I fit way more in here than I thought I would. And just to show you what I got in here, this is a medium Eagle Creek compression packing cube, about 10 by 14. I have 2 full sets of clothes in here, long sleeve shirt, pants, shorts, 2 t-shirts, 2 socks, 2 underwear. You're able to fit the packing cube in here lengthwise, so you have more room on this other side. There's also a little sleeve in the top that I have this e-reader, minimalist toiletry kit I did a review on last week. This Puffy jacket kind of slides right in that spot, and then a towel and a water bottle. And this front pocket is, this front organizational pocket has its own volume, sticks out maybe an inch from the pack. It has a zippered pocket in here and a few additional separator sleeves. I was able to put a charger, battery pack, headphones, travel wallet, notebook, charger, and pen and pencil. That's all that stuff in there. And then you can see, because this pocket has its own volume, that gear isn't bulging out. There's also a small fuzzy slash pocket on the top, about big enough for a pair of sunglasses. Pretty generic laptop compartment on the back of the bag. It has this thin, firm foam padding here. There's no separators or anything else. And because this is a smaller pack, there's no false bottom. Screen facing in, and 15-inch laptop fits in there good. I don't think it would fit a 17. That's all that gear in there, including the laptop. It's about 6 kilograms or 13.3 pounds. And then to show you, this is a personal item, size box I made, 18 by 14 by 8. Pretty common for most, at least US domestic airlines, and that fits in there very easily. There's no backpack straps on here, so the only carry options are this top handle and this padded shoulder strap. This thing is very thick. It's maybe 3/4 of an inch thick. The padding is great for a bag this small. I haven't taken this bag alone on an actual trip yet, but I've been carrying it around for a few weeks as my laptop bag, and very comfortable. Shoulder padding is more than enough. I like this as a personal item laptop bag. I like the blue color, the durable fabric and hardware, and it's more than large enough for daily carry. And even though you can fit enough gear in here for the weekend, I don't really see myself using this as my only bag. It is a little bit too small, and I just like carrying backpacks more. I hope you love this review on the Osprey Transporter boarding bag. Hit me up in the comments if you have any questions. And again, thanks for watching.